One.
Working man's camper, take 2. Follow me. What you have here is a 5x8 utility trailer. Bought from the store of like Northern Tool and Equipment. It's a 5x8 trailer, 2,000 pound capacity. As you can see, that is a pickup topper. Craigslist, $100, aluminum, lightweight. I added gas piping to make a framing system. This here for traveling, folds down. This here is electrical conduit. All these attachments, electrical conduit made to fit. And this comes apart and then it attaches into here with a 1/4 inch hole, bolt. This here, and then I got this cargo box on here. I extended the trailer tongue to accommodate the box. And if you'll pan over here, these are 2-foot tall sidewalls. With the trailer and the topper, I have a 4-foot 9-inch height, interior height, 4'9". That's plenty tall enough. As long as we're here, I want you to see this is a DeWalt rolling tool chest. Comes in just great to use as a box for camping. Anything and everything cooking related stays in there, and it had better not come out. So we go camping, we got a retractable handle, we wheel it up right into the camper. Come around here. Our bathroom facilities. Over here, I made a wood box on wheels. So I go camping, I got my firewood ready to go. Now, as you will see over here, I had to use, once I'm inside, I needed to seal this thing up. So I put that plywood on the bottom. So if I have to go get out in the middle of the night, we can pop this open the door, step out. Again, now this just comes out. See how that's set up in there. Come over here, Andrew. Traveling down the road, we use this piece over here to seal the outside. And just a piece of plywood with a little 1x2 piece of pine. On the inside, as you will see, the inside here, 2x6 construction. I got 6 sidewalk bolts bolting this thing down to the trailer. What I did for this thing was I made the sidewalls. I did not put the plywood on there, just the framing themselves. Make some micro adjustments where I was satisfied. It's 2x6 all the way around. 1 2x6, 4-foot in. Carpeted bunks, padded carpeted bunks. They're split in half. Piece of 2x4 underneath as a ledge. And let's see. Come over to the front again over here. Again, this is a standard 4x8 sheet of plywood. I cut it in half. This is 8 feet up to this point. Come over here. Because this is for a pickup topper, I had to extend it at 1 2x4 out here. This is a 2x4 framing, 2x6 on the bottom. So I had to pull this thing forward to accommodate the handle on the back with the ramp, so I could keep the ramp up and not take the handle off. So I had to put a 2x6 on the bottom, inch it forward, dealing about an inch. As a working man, I had to figure this out. And then I sheathed it with, again, plywood all the way around on the front. Just that little section right here. This is 8 feet from here to the end. And I had to add about a 4-inch section, whatever that is there. And that's how we got that. $100 topper off Craigslist. The whole unit with a brand new trailer, which I already had the trailer. If one was to make one of these, you're looking at $1,200 to $1,400. Before I forget, one more point. Come back over here. Once I was satisfied with the frame, I use C-clamps to hold it down in place. I do a little final tweaking. At that point, when I was satisfied, I drilled the holes, and I used sidewalk bolts from a store called Fastenal. Anyway, a 1/4 inch, 2 3/4 inch in length. Once I was satisfied, I drilled the holes. At that point, I added gasket material to keep the wind, dust, and rain out from Home Depot. It's called Camper Seal. A bag of 30 feet long is about $5. Got that underneath the framing. And also underneath the topper itself, here's a little piece of that seal, as you can see that right here. It's just a little piece of foam sealing. It's under the topper and under the frames. Here's some right here, all the way around. I have little, as you look in here, tie down ports. Everything stores nice and neatly and securely. Working man's camper.